This is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-809T-UP timer, and it is a wirelessly controlled timer. It counts days, hours, and minutes and seconds up, and it is controlled by this wireless controller. It's a handheld controller, 2.4 gigahertz, and it has 150-foot range. You don't have to have it pointing at it. It's RF, so it gives you that flexibility. But right now, I've just got it stopped, so I'm just going to go ahead and push start. These are 8-inch high digits. This is an all extruded aluminum enclosure. We have these two mounting rails that can be drilled through these and mounted to the wall, or you can remove these, and these are 5/16 by 1-inch bolts that slide up and down in the back here, a channel. It is 120 volts input, comes with a 9-foot cord. It is a custom extruded enclosure for this specific customer. They wanted to do some advertising, so we can add labeling or more features if you wanted to, and they wanted to give them indication of what this was all about. So they just push start and stop. They can push set the, you want to reset the timer, push the reset, and then they start over after they have an incident. But they can set the days, hundredths, push it once for the hundredths, push it again, and it goes that way for all the, that functionality is for all your settings. I'm going to set the minutes, push it once, push it again, and stops it, and you can just push start, and it starts from that location or that value. Again, this is a DC-809T-UP-days, hours, minutes, and seconds, and it's got a wireless controller. It is a custom-made, all extruded aluminum enclosure with our 8-inch days, hours, minutes, and seconds timer. Thank you.